Hello, welcome to our GSAP with React tutorial series. In this particular playlist, we'll just be diving into the exciting world of green stock animation platform, which is GSAP. We are going to be combining that with React to create stunning animations for our web applications. In this particular playlist, we're just going to be covering up some concepts on GSAP from the basics to advanced techniques for animating your React applications. So how this actually work is we're going to start with the fundamentals of GSAP, exploring how to install, how to set it up. Then slowly we move into creating simple animations and gradually process into more complex animations with GSAP. We actually make sure each tutorial will be hands-on with real-world examples to help us grasp the concept. You might be wondering, what is GSAP? So GSAP is just a JavaScript animation library which you could use to animate items on your screens and actually had a very good user experience in your application. So in this playlist, we're just going to be using GSAP with React, but we should keep in mind that GSAP is actually framework agnostic, meaning that you could actually use GSAP with any JavaScript framework out there. But for our case, we're just going to be sticking with React. Since GSAP is actually framework agnostic, basically anything we're going to be learning throughout this series or this playlist will actually be reusable across all your JavaScript projects. So what do I mean? For example, if you want to use GSAP in Vue.js or Angular or Webflow or Vanilla.js, whatever concept we'll be learning in this particular playlist, it could be transferable since everything is gonna be like framework agnostic. Without wasting much time, let's dive into using GSAP with React applications. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. So without wasting much time, let's just jump into the next video, which is setup and installation of GSAP in our React applications.